viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode 48, which is rotate image. In this question, you have to find a transpose and then you just reverse the row and a column. Okay, so first you have to find the int n equals to matrix dot size, which gives the number of rows in a matrix, and then you just have to find a transpose for int I equals to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. For int j equals to 0, it will traverse through j less than n or j plus plus. We just have to swap it, swap matrix of I comma j comma matrix of j comma I. In this way you will find the transpose of a matrix, and then after that you just have to do one thing, that just reverse the row, each row. For int I equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. You just have to reverse matrix of I dot begin comma matrix of I dot end. Okay, you just have to do this. Let's run this code, whether this is running properly or not. Yeah, this is running fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it is submitted.